So here's a best practice that you ought to make into a habit before you go home each day. So we're looking at this Tyson, we were trading this into the close, and if you look at the chart from yesterday, it never trades below 57.52. Before you leave, one of the things you want to do is set an alert for 57.51. In your notebook, write down, hey, if this gets below 57.52, I want to think about shorting it. I may just want to short it as it is. And then you can look at the chart and see 58.25 is a really significant level. Before you go home, if you're spending a lot of time trading a stock in play. So yesterday, Tyson was a stock in play. It was down a bunch, had a news catalyst in it. The stock was very active, and then there were two very significant levels into the close. It literally never traded below 57.52. It could not trade above 58.25. And so before you go home, you ought to write that down, be ready, warm up for a really great short and a really great long. Today I got short actually below that level. It didn't hold below that level, and made a little bit on some of it, took a loss on the other, and then when it got above that 58.25, started to think about how to get long. And so this seems like it's a small thing, hey, but when you're trading something and it's in play on day one, before you go home, you really need to make into a habit writing down great shorts, great longs. There's a lot of easy money in the marketplace. That was actually one of the really easy trades, trading that on the long side. The short would have been so-so. The long was a really good opportunity. So think about adding that to your trading. I've been asked in my inbox when IWM is actually going to go down. I'm not sure. I think we're at like 14 straight. Today I think it's 14 straight days of up. We're getting some hits that DeMark is saying short the closing print in this IWM. We'll keep our eyes out for that. I'm not in the prediction business. I'm not sure when this is going to go down, but it would be nice if it actually pulled in a little bit, make the tape a little bit easier. Lots of really great opportunities out there during this Thanksgiving week. We look at a lot of the low floats that really pop, and certainly we look at stocks that are in play. So, while everyone's carping about there not being a lot of opportunity, some of our guys are having their best months of the year. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon. Trade well.